thank you so much for joining me. So in this video I'm going to show you really as quickly as I can how to navigate my Kofi site and how to download those lovely files. So bear with me because I'm quite new at this screen recording malarkey. So the first thing you want to do is go to my Kofi site. I will leave a link in the description box below. That link is below all of my videos. So the main page that you should view would be this. Okay, now you can have a scroll and you can navigate it. You can't break anything. All right, have a good look. So straight away on this first page, you've got one time. Now that is a donation. If you'd like to leave me a donation for, you know, maybe freebies that I give or what I do on YouTube to help support me, but it's not essential. Okay, and you can scroll and you can have a look. All right. So the other way to navigate is via this section here. Can you see my cursor? So if you click membership, there's my membership information. It tells you everything that you get, and it's not actually showing all of my members. I've actually got a height more than that. It's very popular because it's so good value for money. Okay, and you can join there. Okay, or you can go to gallery. All right, and on my gallery I've got some images there. I'm trying to scroll a little bit slower so I'm not making you seasick. And on there are a few items that you can directly download from there, and photos of projects maybe that I've placed on there. I don't add to that section as much as I should. Then we have the post section. So this is a little bit like my blog. Every time I do a YouTube video, I share it on there. Every time I select release a new collection, I share it there. And all of the member posts go on here. Now you will see some videos that I've got this like locked symbol. That means that they are a member only video. So if you're a member, you need to log in using your Kofi password to view those videos. If you are a member, you're logged in and you still can't get on those videos, please do message the Kofi help desk. In that instance, you will need to be sent a link to agree to the cookies. And that is because these videos are on YouTube. So all you need to do is agree to the cookies and you'll be able to view them. No problem. All the others will be absolutely fine because they're not locked ones. Okay, so the shop section. So click shop. Okay, and here we go. Here are all of the lovely items. Now you can literally just scroll at your own leisurely pace through all of the fantastic items that I have on there. There's quite a lot. Now you will see that a lot of them are member items. So for that £3 a month, they get access to everything that says it's members only. Absolutely everything. Okay. And some people say, well, you know, I don't want to be a member. You can join and leave at any time. And it just works for me. Okay. As a creator, it just works for me. It means I feel closer to the people that use my collections. I get to know, you know, who's using them, who's buying them. They'll leave me comments, and we've just got it just helps build a community. I do have items that are for sale that are not just for members. So for example, the traditional Christmas here, there's one for members which is free, and there's one that anybody can purchase. And then obviously the free items, anybody can download those, and there are other items for sale. You can also navigate the like what the collections are at the top here, and a scroll bar should come up so you can scroll those to see the rest of the headings. Okay, or you can just type in the top there. Now in this instance, I'm going to show you how to download files using something free because, you know, I don't want to pay for my own stuff. So I've typed in free at the top there. You know, you can use these to navigate or just scroll. So these are some of the freebies. Absolutely anybody can have them. They are totally free, and I hope to add more next year. So I'm going to use the Titanic freebie as an example. So the process that I'm going to show you is the same if you make a purchase, if you download a members item, it's the same process. Okay, so you simply click get now. Now in this item instance, it's a freebie, so it's set at pay what you want in case anybody wants to leave a donation. I don't want to pay anything. I'm not sending myself any money, so I'm typing in 0.00. If it's a purchased item, it may have a fixed amount. It may be set to pay what you like. You can just type in the original amount. Say for example a collection's £3.50, just type in £3.50, or you can type in a higher amount if you want to leave a bit more. If it's a member item, it will just come up as free. So then you click Get Now. Okay, now in this instance, if it was a purchase item, you would be entering your PayPal or card details. It's all safe, it's all encrypted, just the same as purchasing online anywhere. Okay, I don't see any of your payment details, so I can't go shopping using your information. Don't worry, it's safe. Okay, so then after entering all of your details, you would click Checkout, and this is the same process for members, and it says order details, and then straight away you've got view content. This is the best way to download them. Before even leaving the site, look for that view content icon. Okay, I'll show you the other ways in a moment. So you click view content and there are your files. So you've got letter size, LS is letter size, JPEG, A4 is obviously A4, and then you've got your PDFs. Okay, and then you've got the terms of use document. I would urge everybody to read it so you're aware of my terms of use. So then you just click which one's relative to you and click download. Okay, now I'm using my MacBook. If you're on a PC, it may ask you to unzip the files. If you don't know how to unzip a file to download it to your PC, please go to YouTube and have a look for a video to help you. Because I can't show you that information because I'm on my MacBook and I don't know how to. I can't film my PC because I don't have a webcam. So it may not show this, but right at the top there is a circle with an arrow pointing down. Can you see my cursor? So it's right about here. So you click that circle with the pointing down arrow and there are your files on your computer. So if it's wanting you to unzip them, you'd unzip them and save them to whatever file you want. It is very much the same if you've ever used Etsy or other places for digital downloads. So you can click on that now, because I'm using my Mac, it's showing me all of them immediately. I'm tripping over my own teeth here. So then I can click on the item and it will immediately open it. Okay, I can go to file. So up here I've got file and I can move it about. I could create my own files. If I want to if I click off of all of this and I think, oh no, where's it gone? Go in your settings and look for downloads. It will be in your downloads unless you've saved it to a specific file. Okay, so from here you can print it. Okay, I'm not going to print today because I've already got this printed out. So let me show you the other ways that you can, let me get off of that, clear. Let me get off of that. So the other ways that you can get your files, Kofi will send them to your email. So if you've paid via PayPal, it will send it to the same email via PayPal. I'm okay to share my email address there because as a business, I have to share it anyway. So it's everywhere anyway if somebody wanted to find it. Okay, so I'm not worried about my personal safety. So don't worry. So it would send them to that email. Okay. If you're using a card or other form of payment, a credit or debit card, it will send it to the email that either you've registered with Kofi or that you have linked to that card. Bear in mind that if you're using somebody else's PayPal or somebody else's card for purchases or membership or anything like that, all of your information will go to their email. So you're always better off setting up your own things. You can also, if you can see my cursor, if you go to the top right of your page on Kofi, there are 3 horizontal lines. If you click that, you get your Kofi profile and you can go into payments and orders and you can view your orders there and you should be able to re-download them there as well. You can also, as a member, go into payments and orders here, click that, scroll further and you can find subscriptions, and that is where you can cancel your subscription, or if you need to change any of your payment information, you can do it there. And I really have no problem with people coming and going from the Kofi subscription, cancelling as and when you please, because I know that you'll be back. So I'm not worried, all right? Doesn't bother me. So yeah, so that, if we go back, so that is the Kofi site. I've been on here about 3 years now. I'm having the best fun ever. I absolutely love it. And there are some fantastic items and the membership is second to none. So go and have a look. Hopefully that helps. That gives you all of the information. It works very much like Etsy. In a way, it doesn't charge you extra taxes. I take care of all of the taxes. It doesn't charge me ridiculous fees to run this site. It's just a little bit more basic, and I don't get the same traffic as Etsy do. Okay, all of the traffic that comes to this site is pushed there by me. Okay, whereas Etsy, you get passing trade kind of thing, don't you? So that is all about my Kofi, how to navigate it, what it's all about, what's on there, about the membership, and how to download those lovely files. So I hope that helps. Let me come out of here and try and figure out how to turn this camera off. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.